Alright, I got my Fender Deville 212 here. It's making this weird buzz like loop noise. I think it's gotta have something to do with the effects loop here because it completely stops once you disengage that. You can put any cable in there. It's not my pedals. I'm pretty sure it's not my power supply or anything. I've tried swapping power supplies and I've tried isolating the pedals and everything, but it's I mean, you can hear it start there kind of. Seeing that's where the unplugged and then it comes back. And that's where, you put any cable in the power amp in and that slight buzzing starts, and then once you kind of make a full effects loop, it just gets really, it's like in the way at this point. It's like very noticeable. So I got my guitar here. The guitar's plugged in. Guitar's all the way down. So it's not the guitar, it's not like single coil buzz or interference or anything. I don't know, I've just kind of been scratching my head at this one. It started today, or last night. It just started out of nowhere. I played this amp yesterday, plugged into the same wall outlets and everything. I've got everything plugged into a Furman power conditioner or whatever down here. That makes a difference. It just started up, so I'm thinking it's got to be something with the amp. Again, I've tried looking up on YouTube and everything. Haven't really been able to find any solutions. If anybody knows or has any ideas, some help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.